NextOpenHouse.com is the premier website to promote the next open house. It provides the ability for everyone to locate, map, and plan to see the next open house. It is bringing together high volumes of quality buyers and motivated sellers. About us. It's not about us, it's about you and trying to give you, the individual, the most powerful tool to get you in front of the right people. We are individuals that have experienced the struggles of starting out in the most competitive and professionally saturated industries, that is real estate and mortgage lending. We are experienced professionals that know the key to success is continually going out there and getting new clients, network, and being seen. So we have developed a dynamically innovative and creatively designed website that gives you and all the individual local agents, industry professionals, for sale by owners and business owners the ability to showcase and advertise themselves and their unique attributes in an economically powerful way. We concentrated and narrowed to one aspect, the next open house of real estate, and are not everything to everybody. Our goal is to provide you with the premier state-of-the-art promotional tool that will continually captivate your audience at a low cost. We are independent and not controlled by any real estate company. Other websites are controlled by parent companies or are part of a holding group that are mostly mutually exclusive to one agency or group of agencies, thus giving them a competitive advantage. It is about who you know and how many you know to be successful in the real estate arena. This site is designed to bring all agents and for sale by owners and buyers together. A picture is worth 1,000 words, a walkthrough is worth 1,000,000. Thank you for using NextOpenHouse.com.